Hi. Today we're going to tell you about how to fix punctuation and symbol policy errors. Let's get started. Google Ads is continuously updating its algorithms to improve its compliance with the company's advertising policies. While these changes make it easier for advertisers to comply with the platform's rules, they can also create problems for small businesses. Here are a few steps that you can take to get your ad approved. The exclamation and other punctuation Google Ads policy violations. Google does sometimes allow the insertion of an exclamation in their ads. However, if you have an ad that has been disapproved, go through its headlines and descriptions to remove all exclamations from it. Capitalization violations. This one is very easy to spot. You can't highlight or yell out specific words by capitalization. Also, remove all capitalization variations from your headlines and descriptions. Phone numbers in ad text. This is a simple and straightforward: remove your phone number from your visible space. You might be asking yourself why. Google doesn't want to see your number in your headlines and descriptions. Repetition of text can trigger ad disapproval. If you are using repetitive words, try mixing up the text, use synonyms and other turns of speech. Spacing and other grammatical errors. Grammar and spacing are among the most common errors that people make when writing a description. They can be very frustrating finding all errors. Although it can be hard to find the extra space in your headlines, long descriptions, and even your entire page, but the spacing issue will trigger a policy violation. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.